Hello everybody, my name is Fadi. My name is Habibi. My name is Rafa.
And I'm Gaspard. Hello. And today,
We are making composite material. Right now, Rafa is cutting the glue up so that we can heat it up. We're gonna break apart some bits so we can put it inside the glue for a better material. Now we're gonna add the glue inside the pan. Now we are gonna cool these glues down in the freezer. In the freezer. In the in the freezer. Yeah. This is the finished product. And as you can see, it's very hard. This can be of many uses because of its hardness and toughness. We will now break it out of the shell.
okay.
Now that you've done getting it out of the shell, you can now see that it is very hard, but it is still very ugly. Now we will need to shake off the sides of it. This thing is very hard. As you can see, because of the sticks inside it, makes the structure way harder. The aftermath of the incident. As you can see, it's very hard and rigid. Because of the structure, you can make many things of it. This is just an example. This is just an example of what is a composite material. In a bigger sense, you can use concrete and or many other hard substance for an actual building or project. This is simply a demonstration of a composite material. That is basically just combined.
This thing is so hard, even I cannot break it into a piece. Even this thing can break a glass. Kind of scared. It's kind of broken, but it's kind of sticky. Voila! And this thing now is so hard, I cannot break it. I cannot bend it also, and it's hard.
Even break it with a hammer.
Yeah!
Even the strongest man cannot even bend it.
Masuk! Pegang kamera aku. Pegang kamera aku. Hah? Oh, ganti dah. So hard, even you can kill someone.
You can even play frisbee with it. Thank you for watching.